Hello traders, today I want to share with you my strategies that I use to enter the trade. On my chart you see that I have several drawings. Let me clear these drawings first. Now on my next video I'm going to explain how to use the parabolic indicator to place your trade. The strategies are mostly used to place all my trade. Now I have three tips or three entry rules that I use. The first rule is I want to see a channel like this. Then once I get a channel like this, I draw it like this, draw a trend line just as sweet as this. I also draw another trend line at the top like this. Then what I will be looking for next is for the market either to come down and close below this trend line. Then I will take my sell trade. Likewise, to what I want to see is the market to come up and close above my trend line. Then I will take my buy trade. Now this is what I want to see in the market. So you want to draw your trend line. After seeing the channel like this, you want to draw your trend line, and you want to make sure that you have at least three. For me, you see that we have one. Also have another touch here. Have another touch here. Three. Also see that we have one touch here, another touch here. That is three touches. So you want to make sure that your trend line have at most 2 or 3 touches. Then you can actually confirm that trend line as a proper or a good trend line. You want to wait for the market to show you the direction. You don't trade against the market, but you trade with the market. Once you see the market coming up like this, you want to wait for the market to close above the trend line. Once the market closes above the trend line, you want to look at your left side of your screen to look at the previous high. And as you can see, this was the previous high right here. So you want to wait for the market to break this previous high to close above it. Then you can be certain that your trend or your market is going to go up. That's the second confirmation. First confirmation, you want to see a beautiful trend line like this. Second confirmation, you want your market to break the high or the low of your trend line. And the third confirmation, you want to wait for the market to make a pullback just like this. So after the market has made a pullback, then you can enter your trade. Now how many steps, how many rules did we use to enter this trade? 3 rules. First rule, you want to draw your trend line and make sure you have 3 touches or 2 touches. Second rule, you want to wait for the market to break out of the trend line. Third rule, you want to allow the market to come back and retest that trend, that is a pullback. Then you can enter your trade. And let's apply this on a red chart. Let me delete this. Now we are on gold versus US dollar. From gold, you see that we have a nice channel right here. I found this channel on the 5 minutes time frame. See that we have a nice channel right here. 1, 2, and 3 right here. We want to wait for the market to break the trend line. The market came down right here to break through our trend line. The market came back towards to retest that level, and then the market went down. Let's set your stop loss below the pullback, a target for the market to go down. You would have been in profit right now. So take note, you want to go for the time frame that you can find that right. You want to also draw the channel on your 15-minute time frame. If you find the channel in your 1-minute time frame, draw your trend line and wait for the market to come to you. If it's going up, you go up. If it's going down, you follow the market and go down. This is the strategy I decided to share with you guys. This is how I target my trade. You can use this strategy on any currency pairs. I hope you like this video. If you find this video educative, take 2 seconds of your time to click the subscribe button and the notification bell so that when I upload new videos, YouTube will send you a message. Thank you. Bye for now.